Hello everyone. Today we will be going through data structures. We will be covering our first topic, that is pointers. We will see the definition of pointers, how they are declared and how we can initialize them. We will see with an example. Let us dive into it. What is a pointer? Pointer in C is used to point to the memory location. It points to a particular memory location. Pointer is used to access information from the memory. Okay. In simple words, a pointer is used to access the information of a particular memory location. So you can see here, there is a memory location. You can see here, these all are memory locations highlighted in blue, and I have mentioned integer is equal to 2 byte. One integer is equal to 2 byte. Assume that we have a total of 20 bytes, and we are taking an integer of 2 bytes. So the pointer points to the base address or the initial address. If the pointer is pointing at 0001 0010 memory location, then its base address is 1002. So it will point to the base address. Okay. So how do we declare a pointer? Pointer declaration syntax is, for variable what we do is we write data type and identifier. But for pointers, what we do is we write data type, we give a star or an asterisk for identifying it as a pointer variable, and we write the identifier. Here is the example: int star or asterisk pointer variable, int a. These are the two valid. Int a and int a with an asterisk has been written in two ways. Okay, these both are the valid pointer declarations. There are two types of pointers: typed pointers and untyped pointers. Typed pointers point to the specific type of data. For example, if we are declaring an int pointer, then it is going to show us the integer data. It is going to be with the specific data. It is going to point with the specific data. If we are declaring a double pointer variable, then it is going to show the double data. It is going to point to the double data. Whereas untyped pointers point to any of the data. These are called as generic pointers. Example is void. In pointers, any operation we do, we require only two operators, that is ampersand and asterisk. The ampersand represents address operator, where it returns address of a particular variable, and asterisk represents a pointer operator, which represents the value inside a specified address. Okay, you can see here a is the variable and its value is 100, whereas memory address of a is 2000. Okay, so ampersand represents the address that is 2000. You can see that star represents the pointer operator. Let us see the example. We start with void main, then we have at line number 3, we are initializing and declaring int I is equal to 100. On the right hand side, you can see two blocks. One is for I and one is for ptr. We have initialized, so I is the variable and its value is 100, and assume that its memory address is 2000. Next, once the memory is allocated to int I, let us initialize pointer variable int star ptr. And what we'll do is we will assign the address of I to the ptr. In line number 6, we are assigning the address of I to the ptr. So what is the address of I? Address of I is 2000. So 2000 will be assigned to ptr. Next, let us start printing and see what all it is going to print. It is just a basic example just to make you understand. Printf %d I. This is simple. We are printing 100, the value of I. Next, printf %u ptr. So I am using here %u just because programming addresses means positive integers, but %d prints both positive as well as negative integers. That is why while printing addresses we use %u, that is unsigned integers. %u ptr. Previously we saw that we have stored address of I in ptr, so it is going to print 2000. Next, print percentage u ampersand I. Again we are printing address, so we are using percentage u. What is the address of I? 2000. Okay. Next, what we will print is printf percentage u ampersand ptr. Now we are printing the address of ptr. Wherever we are printing addresses, you see that we are using a percentage u. Printf percentage d star ptr, that is the pointer ptr. So you can see value is inside the specified address. Okay, points to 2000. The data which is inside the 2000 is 100. The data, it points to 2000, but the data inside 2000 is 100. Okay, so the output will be 100. Printf percentage d pointer of ampersand I. What is ampersand I? It is the address. The address of I is 2000, and it points to what it is pointing to? 100. Okay, this is the basic introduction of pointers. Hope you have understood this. Thank you.